Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share Google Drive folder. Friends, in Google Drive you can very easily share a file or folder by simply sending a link. So first we need to open Google Drive on our mobile phone. Press on Google Drive icon. Now suppose I want to share this folder. For that I need to press on these three dots. Now to share this folder you simply need to press on this copy link. Now we have copied the link of this folder and you can share this link via WhatsApp or email, etc. I will show you by sending this link via WhatsApp. Paste the link. Now friends, as you can see, we have WhatsApp the link of our Google Drive folder. And now to open this folder, I just need to press on this link. You can open this link via Google Drive or Google Chrome. Now it will show all the files in this folder. So friends, like this you can very easily share your Google Drive file or folder via link. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.